In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find missing folder pane in Outlook 365. If your list of folders has suddenly disappeared, don't worry, this is usually a quick queue setting you can turn back on. The folder pane is the section on the left where you see your inbox, sent items, drafts, and any custom folders. If it's hidden or minimized, navigating your mail gets frustrating, so let's bring it back. First, let's look at the new Outlook or Outlook on the web experience. At the top of your screen, go to the View option on the toolbar ribbon. From there, choose Folder pane. Next, select Folder List, and then choose Show. That sequence reveals the full list of folders and restores the familiar left side panel. If your window is narrow and you can't see all the labels on the ribbon, try widening the window so the View button appears clearly. Once you select Show, you should immediately see your folders return. This setting is helpful if a recent update or a layout change hid the pane without you realizing it. Now, if you're using classic Outlook for Windows, the steps look slightly different but accomplish the same thing. Open Outlook and click the View tab in the top ribbon. Find Folder pane and choose Normal. In some versions, you may see Folder List followed by Show. Select that to make the pane visible. Normal restores the pane to its regular size and keeps your folders visible at all times. If you notice a thin vertical bar on the left with a small arrow, that means the pane is minimized. Click the arrow shape like a greater than symbol on the edge of the pane to expand it. That small click is all it takes to bring the folders back into view. After you turn the pane back on, take a second to confirm you can see all your essential folders and any you've created. If you frequently switch layouts, remember that this setting is controlled under the View tab, so you can always come back here if it disappears again. Also, keep in mind that wording can vary slightly between versions, but the option will always be under View and then Folder pane. That's it. If this helped, feel free to share it with someone who might be stuck on the same screen. Thanks for watching.